From Jet 24, here's meteorologist Tom DeVecchio, your weather authority.
Mother Nature ending on a hot note, no doubt about it. Here is our new Motors weather cam, and nothing says summer like a blue sky that's more milky white because of all the haze that we have in the atmosphere, all the humidity as well. And whenever you get that kind of bluish look due to all the humidity, that's when you know you got a lot of it. Here's Route 19. We're looking south. There's New Motors itself, and looking south, dry for now, but I think we'll see some storms develop. Had some good storms develop last night, mainly east of I-79 to about the Warren County border, and we'll have a repeat performance tonight. I think it'll be more widespread, though. So this is the last of the real hot days for at least a few days. Round two will be coming here. Scattered storms will probably develop late this afternoon, probably after 3. We'll see them develop and get pretty prominent around the supper hour. And some of those storms, especially tonight, torrential downpours. Some could have some locally gusty winds. And the weekend, we'll call it unsettled, particularly for tomorrow, but the heat will be gone. Do we have a lake breeze? No, we don't. How do you know? Because Dr. Tom has 90 at Niagara Pier. He's as hot as everybody else, and he's right on the bay. We have a good south wind that will probably negate the lake breeze until late in the afternoon. The lake breeze itself may start up some thunderstorms itself. Otherwise, temperatures well into the 80s away from the lake shore, lower to mid 80s, and similar temperatures on the inland side. Anywhere from 84 to 90 here in Crawford County, as well as Warren County. You get the picture. Solid heat, and with dew points approaching 70 and an approaching trough, we're going to have a good chance for some torrential downpours. Now, dew points fall, but usually we get that refreshing front. They fall into the 50s. Not this time. We'll fall into the 60s, so more tolerable heat and humidity would be the best we can offer. Clouds starting to build here in the Cleveland area, and that is a sign of some things to come. One of the flies in the ointment, Tropical Storm Faye developed early this morning, and that will probably affect the speed of this front, adding some uncertainty, but it does look like we'll see the storms this evening being the most prominent, and that's when we'll have some pretty good downpours. It's tomorrow, that's the big question mark. Faye is going to slow down this front. Now it looks good that we'll see some on and off rain, which we actually need. So Faye may actually be a blessing in disguise for those who need the water. And we'll keep the threat of more showers and storms on Sunday as this other weather system moves across. Today, though, hot and humid along the lake shore, chance of late day storms, highs in the lower 90s. And on the inland side, scattered storms developing mid to late afternoon. Your temperatures in the lower 90s as well. Chautauqua Allegheny area, doubt you'll see any rain today. Slight risk, your highs also lower 90s. Showers and storms this evening, some with torrential downpours and some gusty winds diminishing after midnight, and then on and off showers and storms, not nearly as hot as high temperatures get into the lower 80s. And we'll have a chance of some afternoon storms on Sunday and Monday, but the heat comes back. Wednesday and Thursday, we're back up close to